The challenge in the current scenario in academics is that the curriculum is more of technical and functional nature. They do not impart behavioral and professional skills, which is the current need of industry. Unleash Potentia brings together a set of expertise into these three segments to provide industry-ready students. This would support the placement efforts of institutes and students by attempting to increase the probability of success in campus recruitments as well as in the future growth after hiring.
The industry expectation is to have ready to operate, trained and competent professionals at the entry level. There are various institutes who are providing candidates, but precious time, effort is lost by the HR departments of organizations in inducting, training and selection of these candidates. The primary reason is lack of professional and behavioral skills. Based upon the industry needs and inputs from veterans from the industry, Unleash Potentia has designed a curriculum which will take care of the need of the industry. Not only will the curriculum provide professional and behavioral skills to the candidate, but also link up the candidates with the industry to provide them a placement opportunity which will be supporting their efforts and wishes of a bright future.
Unleash Potentia is a very powerful concept which has come of age now. The big connect which is required by the industry is to have better employability of the people who are coming in. This has been a gap in the Indian system. Unleash Potentia looks at bridging this gap between the employability of students at the campuses with that expectations of the industry. The concept has three elements to it. First, it's all about communication and soft skills. Second, it's about the emotional intelligence which needs to be built and appreciated. And third, ensuring execution at every level to bring about excellence.
I'm from IHM Jaipur. My experience with Unleash Potentia is entirely awesome. It has helped me to gain 1% more. It has entirely changed my vision about the hospitality industry. Not only restricted me to the hospitality industry, but it has opened various gates of my mind. Thank you, Unleash Potentia.
Unleash Potentia is different from others because it was not just a one-way process, it was a two-way interactive session. Also, it did not prepare only for our interviews but for the professional life ahead of us.
I think being a placement in charge this year, I think we will definitely look for 100% placements this year because we have got an idea that we can not only going into the hotel industry, we'll be moving into the different sectors of hospitality industry, like in hospitals, we'll be moving into different retail chains also. So we'll definitely make sure with the inputs of Unleash Potentia, their resources, that we'll be able to get 100% placement this year.
It is our endeavor to train the students to prepare them for the industry. And this is where our partnership with Unleash Potentia has begun. It has been a satisfying experience for the last 4 days and the interaction that we had before we started the 5-day program. And I'm sure the feedback that I've received till the last 4 days, the students are finding it very interesting and they're able to connect to all the professionals who are actually involved into shaping them and giving them the future that they're looking forward to. And this is what the industry expects, that where they are, how they are prepared for eventually taking the responsibilities. As rightly said by Mr. Harmeet, that the industry wants a prepared product rather than an unprepared dish. So I look forward to a longer relationship with Unleash Potentia and more inputs, not only for the development of my students and also for the faculty at the institute. Thank you very much.
Thank you.